Buying a home just out of reach for so many people in California. But what if? What if you could get help with the down payment? It's always the hardest part, right? Well, it could make all the difference. Joining us now to talk about this live, Sacramento real estate expert Suneet Agarwal. Suneet, you're here to talk about a new program for first-time home buyers, and the numbers on this are staggering. Explain, Suneet.
Sure. So on March 27th, the Dream for All program will be introduced. And it is, like you said, for first-time home buyers. The definition of that is you haven't bought a home, yet you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. And what this program is going to do, the California government is going to give first-time home buyers up to 20% down payment assistance to help them the down payment.
Let me stop right there. Because before, until now, there have been other programs, but they've been like 2%, 5%, whatever it is. It's been minuscule, and so we've had to make up the difference. 20% is the starting point for many people, for home buyers, to get into a home, especially for lenders. So this could be huge for first-time home buyers. But you do have to pay that back, right?
Yeah, so it's actually pretty cool how they're having you pay it back, because you only pay it back once you either add someone a title, sell the home, or do a refinance. And the portion that you borrowed, that's where they'll take that payment back. Right. So they're on the appreciation, you will pay some of that, but only 20%. So it's just going to give so many home buyers who've been struggling in this market here in California for years a real big opportunity to save and get into that home that they want.
Well, that first home, especially at a time backdrop nationwide here. I know in Sacramento we're dipping a little bit, but stabilizing none the least. February was one of the fastest pace for home sales over the past 6-8 months, because we're starting to see a little dip in some of the interest rates, and buyers or sellers are coming down in prices. So I think a lot of people are wanting to get in. And I know people for years who've said, I want to get into the housing market, but it's that 20% down payment that's killing me. This is a way around all that.
Yeah, I mean, not only is it going to save you on that 20%, but it's also going to eliminate the need for private mortgage insurance, which is another couple grand a year. So it's really giving these first-time home buyers a massive opportunity. I hope people take advantage of.
Well, and the PMI, you mentioned the mortgage insurance there. That's if you don't have it. If you do 5 or 10% down, then you have to have that PMI. And that could sometimes be an extra $200, $300 till you reach that 20% mark, until you get that equity in your house. Now, you don't have that. You're saving even more on your monthly payment. So this comes out, and this is a limited amount of money, right? So first come, first serve?
Yep, there's a limited amount of money. I just got the updated figure. It's $300 million that they have to give out. First come, first serve. Get with your mortgage lender. Right. I own a great mortgage company, Mata Mortgage, here in Sacramento. We can help you. Get with a trusted mortgage lender. You can apply now and get your ducks in a row and get out there shopping and get into your dream home for the first-time home buyers.
This is an incredible program. Look forward to seeing how this affects our local area and hopefully boosts real estate. Suneet Agarwal, thank you so much for joining us this morning with some great tips on a new program that comes out in just a few days. I appreciate it, Suneet.
Thank you. See you.